Hi children, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. This is 5th class CBSE science subject, EVS subject, and first chapter super senses part 2. Already part 1 video is uploaded in super senses, and next part 2 this chapter. Okay, now let's go to the topic. Do the clothes of any of your family members smell whose? Anybody have children? Identified your family members' clothes like smell, like your mother, father, sister, brother. Anyhow, any family member clothes are identified her smells. Yes. Now page 5, first question answer. Yes, our father's was works as doing heavy work. So his body was swell. Swell comes to our father clothes. Yes, my father is hardworking. So many fathers was hardworking. Sweat is come. So our fathers clothes were come very sweat smell. So identified our father clothes mainly. Answer is yes. My father clothes sometimes smell of sweat after work. Yes or no? Okay, next question. Did you ever come across any smell in a crowd place such as a fair, bus, train, etc.? Children, let's see question. Sometimes you are going to villages or one place to another place you are going. How is it traveling? Sometimes you are traveling bus, train, auto, etc. So many members in train or bus. Yes, in crowd areas some smells are come, like bad smell, like crowd. Which smell is are there? Some smells is come. Yes or no? No. Second question answer is yes. Yes, I have come across different smells in because crowded places. Okay, let's see small story. Why so? Today Rajni had to go out for some important work. She had to leave her 6-month-old son Deepak with her sister Susila. Susila also has a baby of the same age. It was funny that both the babies did potty at the same time. She happily cleaned her daughter, but when she was cleaning her sister's son Deepak, she covered her nose with her dupatta or scarf. Okay, what did you understand, children? One person, that lady name is Rajni. Rajni had go to some important work to outside. Okay, she had to leave her 6 months old son Deepak with her sister Susila. She have one baby. She have one baby boy. Okay, she was going to outside. So baby boy was her sister is protected by her baby boy. Okay, that baby boy name was Deepak. Deepak was lived with her sister. Her sister is also one baby girl. Okay, these two babies are protected by her sisters. That baby name is Deepak. Deepak was protected by her sister. Her sister name is Susila. Rajni's sister name is Susila. Okay, Sushila is also a one baby girl. After some time, these two babies are potty at the same time. She happily cleaned her daughter, but Susila's daughter Susila's daughter Potti is happily cleaned by Susila, but her sister's son Deepak Potti has cleaned by Susila, but she was covered his dupatta, her nose. But when she was cleaning her sister's son Deepak, she covered her nose with her dupatta. Okay, did you understand? How is it covered her nose? Look at this picture. She was covered by her nose. Okay, did you understand, children? Now question is, Sushila covered her nose when she cleaned Deepak's nappy, but not when she cleaned her daughter. Why do you think she did this? Why Susila is covered her nose? Why? Because Susila is already, her baby nappy is cleaned happily. Why? Because daily work, that is daily work of Susila's her daughter. So she's already routine that. But Deepak's is newly come. So Deepak nappy is not routine. Today Deepak will come. So today is newly come. So this feeling is new. But his daughter nappy is daily cleaned. So he was already routine. So you have already knows that smell. So she was already knows that smell. So she was happily cleaned by Deepak is newly come. So she was covered by nose. Let's understand, children. Now answer the question. Think and discuss. First answer. Think and discuss. Okay. First answer is, she was more used to her. She was more used to her own daughter's smell. Yes. Smell and did not mind it. But she felt uncomfortable with the Deepak smell. Okay. How do you feel when you walk near a heap of grabs? Think of the children who spend the whole day picking things from such as grabs. Okay, let's see, children. Some children are roadside, spends with life, or spends with 1 hour, not 1 hour, spends with daily her grabs. Yes or no? Some children are roadside, and some human beings also stayed at grabbage places. Yes or no? Just you are not going to walk grabbage place because it comes smell. Only 1 or 2 minutes you will walk that place. So after that you will across that place. But 1 or 2 minutes, that smell was not comfortable in our life or in our. But how is it? Some children are stayed in that place. Okay, so sad that place. Okay, now answer the question. Second answer is, I feel bad and uncomfortable because of the bad smell and dirty surroundings. I feel sorry for the children who spend the whole day picking things for grabs. Picking things from garbage. Okay, next question is a smell good or bad for everyone in the same way, or does it depend on how each one feels about it? All smells are good or bad in everyone. Some members have good smell, that smell, as well as some members have bad smell. Like depends on person. Like Susila example. Her daughter smell is good, but Deepak's smell is bad. So he covered her nose. Yes or no? So that smell good or bad, the topic is depends on person. Okay? Live example is Deepak's situation. Okay? Now question answer is, third question answer is no. A smell is not same for the everyone. It depends on how each person feels about it. Okay? So smells are good or bad, it is depends on person. Okay? Let's go to next topic is, let's see, write the name of a bird which has eyes in front of its head, like in humans. Which bird is eyes in front of its head? Tell me, children. Very good. Owl. Page 6 answers. First answer is owl. Okay. And second question. Write the name of some birds which have eyes on either side of the head. What is the size of their eyes as compared to the size of their head? Say some birds names. Okay? Say some birds names which have eyes either side of the head. Tell me. Now second answer is, say some bird names. Pigeon, crow, sparrow, and parrot, etc. Okay? Eyes on either side of the head. What is the size of their eyes compared to the size of their head? That is pigeon, crow, sparrow and parrot. Their eyes are comparatively large compared to their head. Okay? Their head. Okay, next. Most of the birds have their eyes on either side of the head. Their eyes can focus on two different things at a time. When they look straight ahead, both their eyes focus on same object. Okay, most of the birds have their eyes on either side of the head. So many birds ears have located by either side of the head. So many birds like pigeon, hen, parrot, sparrow. So many birds have located either side of the head. Okay? Their eyes can focus on two different things at the same time. At the same time, his eyes are focus on two different things at a time. When they look straight ahead, both their eyes focus on the same object. Okay, both their eyes focus on the same object. You must have seen birds moving their neck very often. Do you know why? In most of the birds, eyes are fixed and cannot move. So birds have to turn their heads to see around. Some birds are looking to object, that birds are moved to neck. Why? In most the birds eyes are fixed and cannot move. Some birds eyes are fixed in same place. that eyes are not moved. So birds have turned their heads to see around. Okay, so any object birds are see, it's moved their neck. It's moved their necks. An object can see. Okay, like look at this picture. That bird's eyes are not turned out. So you can see any object that next was around it. Okay, or moves it. That neck was moves it. Let's some activity. Okay, looking with one or both eyes. Close your right eye or cover it with your hand. Tell your friend to stand to your right at some distance and ask him to do some action. Wave hand, shake head, etc. Close your one eye covered by hand. Okay, tell your friend to stand your right. Your friend is standing your right side. Your right eye is closed and your right side that to some distance. Okay, your eyes is closed, that means right eye is closed. You can your friend is stand from your right side some distance. Your friend is some actions are doing like wave hand, shake head, etc. Okay, let's you understand, children. Now question is, could you see your friend's action without moving your neck? You can see your friend's action not moving your head. Do you see your friend's action not moving your neck? No. I could not see clarity without moving my neck. You can see but not clarity. Yes or no? Now 6th page, third question answer is no. I could not see clearly moving my neck. Okay, my neck. Now try to look at your friend's action with both your eyes open but without moving your neck. Open your two eyes. And now your friend's action with both your eyes open. Now your eyes are opened. Two eyes are opened but without moving your neck. Now try to look. You look your friend's action. How is it identified? Yes, I could see better with both eyes open. Okay, now answer is, that is fourth answer is yes, I could better see with both eyes open. Okay, with both eyes open. What next third question is, what was the difference on looking with one or both eyes? What was the differences? You look first, you can look one eye, and next you can choose two eyes and you can look two eyes. Now what was the difference on looking with one or both eyes? Okay, let's see answer. With both eyes open, I could see a wider area and move clearly. With one eye, my field of vision was smaller, right? My field of vision was smaller. Okay, fifth answer is with both eyes open. With both eyes open, I could see a wider area and more clearly. With one eye, my field of vision. Now what we will observe in these questions, When a bird focuses both eyes on an object, it can estimate the distance. When its eyes focus on two different things, it increases its range of vision. Children will understand this better once they start observing the location of eyes different birds while seeing with one eye and then with two eyes. Children will understand how with two eyes the span of vision increases. Okay, let's go to topic. Now toss a small ball or a coin and try to catch it. Try this with both your eyes open. Then close one eye and try to catch it. When was it easier to catch? Now understand children. Toss a small ball or coin. Okay, try to catch it. Try this with both eyes are open. Okay. And then next one eye is closed. Try to catch it. When was it easier to catch? Very good. Two eyes are opened. You will catch will good. Very good. Two eyes are opened. Your catch will good. Okay, page 7. Question. First answer is it was easier to both eyes open. It was easier to both eyes open. Okay. Now next question is imagine how it would be to have your eyes in place of your ears. What would you be able to do then which you cannot do now? Just imagine your eyes are arranged in your head there. Just imagine your eyes are arranged in your ears place. Okay. What would you be able to do then which you cannot do now? Tell me. That answer is I could see more on both sides without hearing my head. Okay. I could see more on both sides without turning my head. Yes or no? Your eyes are arranged in your ears in case. So what cannot do now? Your eyes are so many things are seeing, not around it. Now see the answer. Second answer in 7th page. Second answer I could see more on both sides without turning my head. Without turning my head. Okay. Some birds like kites, eagles, vultures can see 4 times as far as we can. These birds can see things from a distance of 8 meters, what we can see from distance of 2 meters. Some birds like kites, eagles, vultures, 4 times of far as we can. 4 times. These birds can see things from a distance of 8 meters. 8-meter distance these birds are see things. Okay. 4 times of the humans. Okay. Let's you understand children. Next, do animals see colors? Animals cannot see as many colors as we can. See how things in these pictures will be seen by some animals. Animals cannot see many colors. Okay. See how things these pictures will be seen by some animals. Now look at this children. These colors are identified some animals. Okay. It is believed that animals that are awake in the daytime can see some colors. Birds that like animals or birds wake in the daytime can see these colors. Those animals that are awake at night can see things only in black and white colors. Some birds are see night times. That colors means white and black only. Only these two colors have seen. Only these two colors have seen. Not colors are identified. some birds. Okay, so many birds have not see colors. Mainly these 4 colors have seen. Okay, birds are not identified colors. Okay children, today's class is over. And next class I will discuss ears. Okay, now some disturbing is coming, sorry for that. Okay, because of climate change. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for watching.